Hello. Today we will talk about the introduction of biodiversity. The term biodiversity has been derived from two words. These two words are bio and diversity. Word diversity means variety within a species and among species. Biodiversity is a measure of the variety of organisms present in different ecosystems. The diversity of plants that is also called flora, and animals also called fauna, in a region depends on climate, altitude, soils, and the presence of other species. Biodiversity is not distributed evenly on Earth. It is richest in the tropics. Tropical means anything related to the warm areas near the Earth's equator, where the weather is usually hot and humid all year round. These regions are known for having lush forests, lots of rain, and a variety of unique plants and animals. Temperate regions also have many species, while there are fewer species in the polar regions. Temperate refers to regions with mild and moderate climates, not too hot and not too cold. These areas typically have 4 distinct seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. The weather can vary a lot between these seasons, with warm summers and cool or cold winters. Temperate regions are found between the tropical and polar zones of the Earth. Biodiversity found on Earth today is the result of 4 billion years of evolution. Here the word evolution means evolution is the process by which living things change over long periods of time. The origin of life is not well known to science, though limited evidence suggests that until 600 million years ago, all life consisted of bacteria and similar unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms are living things made up of just one cell. In our next lecture we will discuss about the importance of biodiversity. If you like this video then subscribe this channel. Thank you.